Welcome. If you're looking to always see previews of links on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps after Facebook's new update, so you never miss out on what's behind a link before you click. Let's get started. First, open Facebook from your preferred browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will take you directly into the settings for your specific page. Now, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will bring up a new list of options on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and find Accessibility. Click on it, and then choose Keyboard and Assistive Technology Settings. Here, you'll find several features designed to make Facebook easier to use. Look for the option labeled Show Previews of Links. Click on it, and you'll see a few different choices. To always see previews, select Show Preview when hovering pointer over link. This means that whenever you move your mouse over a link, a preview will automatically appear, giving you a quick look at what's inside before you decide to click. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This will make sure your new settings are applied, and that's it. With these simple steps, you'll always have link previews on your Facebook page, making it easier to browse safely and efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.